Are your muscles getting weaker with age? Feeling like you've lost your strength and energy? What if one simple food could help you rebuild muscle naturally? Today, we reveal a powerful, muscle-boosting food every senior should know about. It's packed with natural vitamins that support strength, energy, and vitality. Stick around because your body will thank you for this one. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it starts as early as age 30. By age 60, many people lose up to 15% of their total muscle mass. This leads to weakness, poor balance, fatigue, and a higher risk of falls. But here's the good news. You can fight back and rebuild muscle with the right nutrition. The secret food revealed. So, what's this powerful muscle rebuilding food? EGGS. Yes, simple, humble eggs are one of the best foods for building muscle, especially for seniors. They're loaded with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, vitamin D, B12, and choline. These nutrients work together to support muscle repair, energy metabolism, and bone strength. EGGS work. Here's why eggs are a superfood for aging muscles. Complete protein. One large egg has 6 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair. Leucine-rich. Eggs are rich in leucine, a key amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Vitamin D helps maintain strong bones and supports muscle function. Vitamin B12 and choline, vital for nerve health, energy, and coordination. Eat 1 to 2 eggs daily, boiled, scrambled, or in omelets. Pair them with leafy greens or whole grain toast for added fiber and nutrients. Don't skip the yolk. That's where most of the vitamins and healthy fats are. Worried about cholesterol? Studies show that moderate egg intake does not raise heart disease risk for most people. Eggs are amazing, but let's supercharge your muscle health with these bonus nutrients. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon or flax seeds. They reduce inflammation and help muscle recovery. 2. Magnesium supports muscle contractions. Found in spinach, almonds, and avocado. 3. Vitamin C helps repair muscle tissue. Get it from citrus fruits and bell peppers. Easy EGG meal ideas. Morning, scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Lunch, egg salad sandwich on whole grain bread. Snack, hard-boiled eggs with a sprinkle of black pepper. Dinner, veggie-packed omelet with mushrooms, peppers, and a side of quinoa. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength. Your body is capable of amazing things even after 60 or 70. Start small, 1 or 2 eggs a day. Add in some gentle walking, stretching, or resistance bands. So now you know, eggs are the powerful food that can help you rebuild muscle like nothing else. Did you find this helpful? Hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Let us know in the comments, how do you like your eggs?